Recycling plastic seems easy, but is it? Everyday plastics are not one and the same. That makes recycling both complex and inefficient. Products like this and this don't mix. And when plastic is recycled using traditional methods, it loses strength and durability. But Chilean company Cumberblast wanted to rethink recycling, so they partnered with ExxonMobil for a project called Atando Cabos. It all started with fishing ropes washing up on Patagonia's beaches. Picking them up was easy. Recycling them? A bigger challenge. Fibers from the ropes made of polypropylene and polyethylene aren't compatible, so they can't be mixed together into new products. Or can they? ExxonMobil's polymer derived from crude oil is flexible like rubber, durable like plastic, and smarter than both. Add it to the mix and it binds the different polymers in the fishing ropes. It makes new products stronger. Now, all those ropes from Chile's beaches are being transformed into crates used by one of the largest tulip growers in the Netherlands. 2,000 tons of fishing ropes are being recycled from Patagonia annually. And with the beaches clean and pristine again, it leaves just one question: what to recycle next?